The moment your class 12 results are out, everything suddenly feels rushed. College forms, entrance exams, counseling dates, and 100 opinions coming from every direction. Friends are talking about rankings, relatives are suggesting colleges, and somewhere in between, you're trying to figure out one simple question: which college is actually right for me? If Kerala is on your list, you're already looking in the right direction. Kerala is known for its strong academic culture, quality faculty, and engineering colleges that focus not just on theory but also on real world skills and long term career growth. From nationally recognized institutes to well established government and private colleges, the state offers some excellent options for engineering aspirants. In this video, we'll take you through the top engineering colleges in Kerala, colleges that students actually choose for good education, solid placements, and overall campus experience. So if you've just passed class 12th and are confused about where to apply or what to shortlist, this video is going to make things much clearer. On number 1, we have 3 major institutes from Kerala: NIT Calicut, IIT Palakkad, and IIIT Kottayam. NIT Calicut was established in 1961 and is one of the oldest NITs in India, located near Kozhikode. Alongside this, we have IIT Palakkad, which was established in 2015. It is located in Kanjikode, Palakkad, and is part of the newer IITs. The third institute here is IIIT Kottayam. It was also established in 2015. Talking about admissions, NIT Calicut and IIIT Kottayam take students through JEE Main, with seats allocated via JOSA and CSAB counseling. JEE Main cutoff usually lies between 5,000 and 8,000 for NIT Calicut and around 35,000 for IIIT Kottayam. IIT Palakkad, on the other hand, follows the typical IIT route: JEE Main, JEE Advanced, and JOSA counseling. Now the fees and median placement packages for all the 3 institutes are as you can see on your screen. Now, before we move to the next college, I want to talk about an institute that is revolutionizing education. It is Indalabad School of Technology. This institute has been commended by Ved Tiwari, CEO of the National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. Unlike traditional institutes, IST has been designed for the industry by the industry experts, with faculty from Google, Microsoft, and Meta, along with experienced IIT professors. The focus here is not just on theory, but real-world practical learning. At IST, you don't just learn AI, machine learning, and cloud, you master them. Students spend 5,000 plus hours coding, and not on small practical tasks. You actually build real tech products like designing and scaling cloud infrastructure for massive applications, the kind used by companies like Amazon. And it doesn't stop there. IST provides hands-on training on scaling your product into a startup through its innovation hub. You will even get the chance to pitch your ideas to VCs for funding while still in college. Beyond academics, IST offers incredible opportunities like participating in international tech summits in Dubai and Singapore, visiting Mang company campuses to see how top tech firms operate, and even earning a minor degree from an IIT. IST has multiple campuses across Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Nasik, and more, and students receive a BTech degree through IST's partner universities. To get into IST, you need to clear the IST entrance test followed by a personal interview. The website link is in the description. Check it out now and apply today. The next one on the list is Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. It was established in 2007 and is located in Valyamala near Thiruvananthapuram. IST is a specialized institute under the Department of Space with strong academic and research ties to ISRO. Talking about admissions, entry into BTech programs at IIST is through JEE Advanced, followed by the institute's own counseling process. Now coming to fees, the total cost can vary from 48,000 to 2.5 lakh depending on your specialization, as you can see on your screen. When it comes to placements, IST has a unique advantage due to ISRO linkage, where the median package is around 10 to 11 LPA. Next on our list is Cochin University of Science and Technology, specifically its School of Engineering, located in Trikakara, Kochi, Kerala. For admission into BTech, candidates usually need to take the CUSAT, Common Admission Test, and selection is based on merit in this exam. Talking about fees, the total BTech cost ranges widely depending on the seat category and program visible on your screen. Hostel and other charges are separate. Now let's talk about placements. CUSAT has a mixed placement record. According to recent data, the median placement packages for BTech students hover around 6 LPA, though this can vary by branch and category. Next on our list is College of Engineering, Thiruvananthapuram, commonly called CET Trivandrum. Established in 1939, it is the oldest and one of the most prestigious engineering colleges in Kerala. Talking about admissions, BTech entry is through the KEAM exam, also known as the KEAM exam, followed by centralized state counseling. The cutoffs vary by branch, with popular streams like computer science and electronics having high closing ranks, as you can see on your screen. Now coming to fees, CET Trivandrum is affordable for a government college. The total tuition fee for BTech is around 85,000 including tuition and academic fees. When it comes to placements, the median salary packages generally range around 7 LPA. Also moving on, all the colleges that I'll be covering admit students through KEAM and CE counseling. So I will be directly talking about the cutoff for each college. Next on our list is Government Engineering College, Thrissur, commonly known as GECT, Thrissur. It was established in 1957 and is one of the oldest government engineering colleges in Kerala. Talking about admissions, the cutoff is as you can see on your screen. Now let's look at fees. The annual tuition fee at GECT is relatively affordable for a government college, but the yearly fees for the BTech program is roughly around 35,000. Hostel and mess charges are extra and depend on the accommodation you choose. Coming to placements, median packages for BTech graduates typically range around 6.5 LPA. So those were the top engineering colleges in Kerala. I hope the list was helpful for you guys. Thank you and see you in the next video.